Hi everyone, it's Network Guru here in its today video. I'm going to walk you through how to delete a group in Snapchat. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open on Snapchat and tap on the chat icon at the bottom left to access your chat window. Scroll down until you find the group you want to delete. Once you're located the group, you will notice that Snapchat has some limitations when it comes to deleting groups. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct option to delete the group entirely. You can tap on the icons at the top left to access some information about the group. But there won't be an option to delete it from there. Similarly, tapping the three dots at the top right will only give you the option to leave the group yourself and members to change chat settings. The best course of action is the tap Leave a group if you no longer wish to be part of it. If all members decide to leave the group, it will be deleted. However, Snapchat doesn't provide a way to delete the group entirely for all members. If the specific person causing issues, you can block them individually so they can't access the group anymore. So, while deleting groups on Snapchat has its limitations, I hope this tutorial helps clarify the process for you. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll catch you in the next video.